Get more out of your reformer by choosing two of the most popular reformer accessories on the market today, the jump board and the Cardio Tramp Rebounder. Both pieces have been intricately designed and engineered by Merrithew Health and Fitness, a name synonymous with the highest quality and finest manufacturing materials in the industry. The benefits are endless. Either piece of equipment can be used to tone and strengthen the legs as well as the arms, back, and all-important core. As with all our equipment and accessories, the jump board and Cardio Tramp Rebounder also have a long list of complimentary Stott Pilates exercises and DVD programming ideas, offering you tons of variety. Although both serve the same fundamental purposes, there are a few key differences between them, making each of these accessory boards essential for any well-equipped Pilates enthusiast. The jump board is an excellent tool for plyometric training and an easy add-on to any of our Stott Pilates reformers. Used by studios and home gyms around the world, it inserts easily into the designated openings in the wooden standing platform and can be secured by tightening the star knobs located on the frame underneath the platform. The firm, broad surface of the jump board makes it ideal for both footwork and jumping. The high-density foam on the landing surface has excellent shock-absorbing properties that help prevent injury from impact. The stable platform will also give more support to those needing additional stability through the lower body, especially the knees and ankles. The ample landing space makes it easy to vary movements and foot positions and provides excellent balance and coordination. The jump board is also ideal to provide a larger base of support when not jumping, and the added height of the board increases programming options when the hands are placed on the padded surface. The exclusive Cardio Tramp Rebounder offers a more resilient landing surface. This trampoline-style board is excellent for cardiovascular exercises, allowing you to jump for a longer period of time without fatigue. It is useful to work the deep stabilizing muscles of the foot, as well as those in the ankle, knee, and hip joints. Working on the flexible landing surface challenges stability, which provides great feedback to a low-impact aerobic workout, making exercises truly fun. This is also the perfect accessory if you're undergoing rehabilitation or recovering from a joint injury. For people who have weak, arthritic, or highly sensitive joints, particularly the knees and ankles, the Cardio Tramp Rebounder offers a softer, more forgiving landing space. The advantages of both these innovative pieces are very clear. In any home or studio workout environment, it's important that the equipment you use and the exercise choices match your needs. So introduce fun and challenging aerobic exercises to your workouts by choosing the jump board and Cardio Tramp Rebounder. Happy training!